Welcome to my 5-star restaurant. Today I'll be preparing some oven style rotisserie chicken for you. Please hit that like. It is free and stay tuned.
One likes being liked too.
What's up? What's up? Welcome back, guys. I'll be cleaning and seasoning my bird. Run on over to my channel and you will see how I clean my chicken. I try to remove all the feathers, the bottom part of it, and to remove any additional slime from underneath the skin. I remove the blood areas, also from the hips. I'll be using oregano, basil. I use garlic powder, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and some McCormick Rotisserie seasoning. Perfect pinch. I combined all this with a little avocado oil because I want the powder seasonings to stick underneath the chicken skin where I'll be seasoning my chicken thoroughly. You know your girl got this. I don't have a rotisserie oven or a rotisserie pan, but I'll be doing this oven style. Season my bird, make sure under the ribs, under the hips are well seasoned. Then I'll leave to marinate for a few hours. Here I am about to add it in my oven at 450 degrees with some garlic and some rosemary. I add this to my oven uncovered. Within 45 minutes, I went in, I made sure that the additional juice I added on the chicken so the chicken does not dry out, especially the breast area of the chicken. At this point, I opt to cover because it's almost ready. Here, after I made some sauce with the same juice from the chicken that I will use to coat the chicken and cover to add back in my oven for another 20 minutes. This is my chicken after 20 minutes with the sauce from in the oven. Look at this bird. Welcome to the cooking gang. Welcome to my 5-star restaurant. This is oven style rotisserie chicken. Look at her. Look at my bird. Okay, so I serve this up with some veggies instead of rice or rice and peas. I chose to do some steamed veg and also some raw veg. Let me give you a second to give your girl a like. Thank you for liking the video. Feel free to also share and drop a comment. If you're new to my channel, drop a comment and let me show you some love in the comment section. This was my Sunday dinner. Some veggies for dinner with this oven style rotisserie grilled or rotisserie baked chicken in the oven. And let me tell you something, this tasted really good. McCormick has some really good seasonings. This is one of them I'll recommend. That rotisserie seasoning tasted really good on my chicken, on my bird. Thank you guys. See you soon. Love you all and thank you again for the support.